Today I was been summoned, called by women police in Panjim. I was been called to record a statement. I have fully cooperated with the women police at the police station. I have given my statement nearly for 2 hours. My lawyer, Mr. Yatish Naik, accompanied me. So I have सांगला तितले record केल्ले आसा and I have signed. I have full faith in the judiciary. I have full faith in the police. I would not like to say anything much, but like to say that these cases which some political outfits have put, like BJP, tujhe Sanatan Sanstha, then there is this Shiv Sena, and there is this some NGOs. This is to tarnish my image. This is totally a false, politically motivated and fabricated case to tarnish my image. But I will not stop working for the people of Goa, and I cannot be silenced. म्हजो आवाज बंद करपाक जायना. खंयचेय मुद्दे आसूं चलयेचेर आनी बायलांचेर आमी आमची महिला काँग्रेस टीम काम करीत रावतली, and this is to suppress my voice. But no matter what, I will not be silenced. I will keep working and fighting for the to give justice to the people and women, especially women of Goa, as Goans are there behind me, rallying and wishing me luck.